Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Same WhatsApp into phone. So here as you can see, I have two phones, my iPhone and Android phone. So basically my first phone is Android, so if I open my WhatsApp, so you can see on your screen. Now if I want to use my WhatsApp on my second phone, so I will tap on open and tap on agree and continue. And here, just tap on the three dots right there at the top right of your screen. And basically, you'll find link as companion device. So if you click on this one, you'll find this QR code. So we're going to scan that QR code. So on the first phone, tap on the three dots and tap on link devices. And here, tap on link a device. So basically, I will scan that QR code to link that device on my WhatsApp. So once done, as you can see here, so it will automatically open up my WhatsApp. So there you go. So that's how you basically use Same WhatsApp into devices. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.